G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. I did a video on this jade tree 9 months ago, and now I hope you can see it all. It's freaking taller than I am, and I'm going to refine it some more now. It's got roots. It had no roots. It was put into this pot in the last video with no roots. It's now established roots, and I'm going to just give it a little bit of a styling. It's a 13 years, 9-month-old tree at this stage, and yeah, we'll just get into it. I've got one branch down here that's way too low. Okay. And yeah, just looking at it, seeing what's what. I think that can go all together. That can go. This can be shrunk right down. Some of that. And that. We'll let them grow out. These are too close to the trunk, so we'll get rid of them. Trim that. Too high. Bottom dweller. Bottom dwellers there. Bottom dweller. Too close to the trunk. Shrink it. Bottom dweller. I really need to give this branch some shape because it's very straight. So I think that's all the trimming I'm going to do. Probably got more I could do, but for now that's going to be it. And now I need to put some wire on just to help give these branches a bit more shape for them to keep hold, you know. So that's what we'll do now. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a bit of wiring, and I'm going to start here. Now, the last one I'd like to see wired is this one. I'm just going to bring this around here. Bring that down like that, and that'll do for now. So think we're done for now. I've got others I could wire that up, or I'll put a block of wood here to hold that up. I've done the wiring, I've tried to keep it loose so that as it grows it's got longer before it starts cutting in. I don't have to take it off so soon, but I think it's alright. I like it the way it is now, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next week.